Tatum Weaver, here with Sierra and
Cheyenne.
And we're doing a shower head prank. We're gonna tape one side of the shower head prank, and then we'll spray on the other side and spray it all over the window when they go to take a shower. So let me go tape that. You need to tape about that long or longer.
What about Josh?
And then tape it.
No.
And you might want to tape it a few times. Bless you. And get dab. And get three pieces of tape.
This could be a nice prank.
About that long. Or longer.
Dang it. Get out.
We have a visitor. Okay, now let's go test it out. Okay, we're gonna test it out. Oh yeah, it's spraying everywhere. It just sprayed everywhere and got all over my tablet. Okay, bye. That's another prank.